It seems like we're going into round number 2, and we're going to follow the book for the object, what is it, 420. So, let's get into it. I'm preset, ready to go. So, what they tell you to do is start with just this profile. And I think the dimensions, are shown on 4.7 here. I know that the width is going, 3.25, and the height of the base is 0.5. Basically, I'm just drawing this out. Let's use the line tool. That'll be easier. From here, I go straight up, 1.75, 90 degrees. Here, 0.5. Goes down 1.75 minus it, so it goes down 1, goes over 1, goes up to the same thing, 0.5, all the way down, meets, escape, trim tool, boom, got the profile. So now I finish my 2D sketch, click the Extrude tool, and it looks like we're going for symmetrical. And we are symmetrically going to go 2.5 inches. Looking good.
Samantha Vitti, please report to the main office. Samantha Vitti.
Okay. So now, skip. I'm going to start a sketch on the bottom. And using my circle tool, I'm going to find the middle point, and I'm going to sketch it like that. Oh, that's good. I extrude it. I know that we want to go up, use the join tool to combine the objects, going up 1/2 inch. I've made it. So now, what I'm going to do, I've got that, editing the dimension. So, what I'm going to do is the base feature, this extrusion 1, is going to be edited. We want the feature. We're editing the feature. We're going to make that 3. And look at that. The circle was snapped to the other object, automatically updated the depth. I don't know why they didn't just tell me to do that in the first place, but that's okay. So now what I'm going to do is make a hole here. So I use the hole tool. Okay, I'm going to select my surface. Okay. Let's see. Hole diameter is 0.75 inches. Okay. And I believe we're doing a concentric. There's my plane. Here's the concentric reference. It's 0.75. And you can say through all, or you can just say 2. And what you do is pick the other side. Say OK, and it makes a hole. So far, so good. Great. Now, what we are going to do is pick this face, and we are going to sketch, let's see, I'm going to draw my line, the image on the bottom of 416. It's 0.5 inches across. We go down 0.75. That's not right. Line. I'm going down 0.75. Great. Move over. 1. Gonna go up again. They trick me. They tricked me. just going to finish my sketch for now. I'm going to go back to Extrusion 1. I edit my feature, and I'm going to change this to 2 inches because we're just changing things today. Excellent. Now I'm going to go back to my sketch that I was doing. Edit sketch. I'm going to finish this bad boy up. And now I connect here. Finish the sketch. I'm going to extrude this into the object. And I'm going to probably say through all. That's my assumption on what they are asking me to do for now. Through all. Yep. Say OK. Great. Design change. Uh-oh. Now, let's see what's happening. Alright, so here the design has to change, and we are editing the first sketch. So you go to Extrusion 1, you're going to right-click it, edit your sketch. And what they need to do is include a fillet. Now, fillet is something that you recognize from AutoCAD. Basically, it's going to curve between two perpendicular, or I guess 2 lines. They don't have to be perpendicular. Fillet tool's up here. You click it, you also have chamfer, which is if you just did a 45-degree angle cut. We're going to use fillet. And we're going to change our radius to 0.25. Fillet. Boom. Boom. And now that I've done this, yeah, I pressed enter before and you shouldn't do that. So you press fillet, put in your value, choose the 2 lines that you want to fillet. You say, okay, finish sketch, and boom! Like magic, it's there, it's done, and it is ready to go. Last thing that they ask you to do is provide associated physical properties. So what are you going to do? You go to your part. You're going to Properties. And now that we've gone to Properties, we go to the Physical tab. And in the Physical tab, you're going to notice some different things. Material. You can change the material. We're going to make this aluminum, but not any aluminum. We want aluminum 6061. Do. And here, you're going to notice they have some pre-stored data about the different materials that exist in the library. Oh, and now we're going to change it to cast iron because we're fancy like that. Iron. Cast. Cool. And you'll notice that the values change. It's got more density, or the pound mass. Or I guess that's just mass. Yeah, pound mass. Area, volume, center of gravity. It's all changed. And that's it. Happy designing.